Good morning children, good morning everyone, good morning everyone. The day has just begun. I like to see your smiling face, I like to see your smiling face. Good morning everyone, good morning children. How are you all? I hope you all are good or fine. And last class we have studied, what we have studied in English children? In English what we have studied? Capital letter, small letter, cursive letter, two-letter words, right children? Can you see? I hope you all are written in classwork and homework, right? Yes, good children. This is capital letter, small letter, capital and small letter. What is this? This is cursive, right children? Yes. And this is two-letter words. Last class we have studied two-letter words. Now we go for name the pictures. Name the pictures. Can you see what is this children? This is ant. What is the spelling of ant? We already learned in extra book, right children? Yes. What is the ant spelling? A-N-T. Ant. What is this? Ant. A-N-T. Ant. What's the phonic sound of A? Ant. What's the phonic sound of A? Ant. A-N-T. Ant. We should start writing. When we start writing, we should write capital letter only children. Don't forget it. Okay, don't write A-N-T and. This is wrong. Okay, we should start from capital letter only. Okay, A-N-T and after capital letter we should write in small letter. Okay, next we go for, what is this? This is bag. What is this? This is bag. B-A-G. Bag. What is this? B. What's the phonic sound of B? B. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Can you see it? I wrote B, capital letter and A, small letter. Right children? Yes. When we start writing, we should start from capital letter only. Okay. Next. What is this? B-A-G, bag. Next we go for C. What is this? Cup. What is this? Cup. C-U-P. Cup. It starts from capital letter and next we go for small letter. C-U-P. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. Like this you should color it children. You should draw and then you should write here and don't forget to color the drawing. Okay. Next we go for drum. What is this? Drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. Yes. What is this? What is this children? This is egg. Yes. E-G-G. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. What is this? E-G-G. Egg. Next, what is this? Fish. Yes. F-I-S-H. Fish. What's the phonic sound of F? What's the phonic sound of F? Right children? Yes. E phonic sound? E. E sound. Phonic sound? E. Egg. Egg. Right children? Yes. Next we go for, what is this? This is glue. Sorry, gum. What is this? This is gum. G-U-M. Gum. Can you see children? I start from capital letter. Don't forget to write capital letter. Okay. G-U-M. Gum. Next, what is this? Hut. H-U-T. Hut. H-U-T. Hut. What's the phonic sound of H? Ha. What's the phonic sound of H? Ha. Next, what is this? This is ink. I N K, ink. What is this? Ink. I phonic sound E. E. I phonic sound E. Ink. Ink. Yes. Next, what is this? Jug. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. What is the phonic sound of J? J. What's the phonic sound of J? J. Don't forget the phonic sounds, children. Next, what is this? This is key. K-E-E-Y, key. K-E-Y, key. What is this? Leaf. What is this? This is leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. What is this? Leaf. What is this, children? This is moon. M-O-O-N, moon. M-O-O-N, moon. M-O-O-N, moon. Next, what is this? Net. N-E-T, net. What's the M sound? Children, phonic sound? Moo. What's the phonic sound of M? N? What's the phonic sound of N? Net. Net. Okay, next. What is this? You already know. What is this? One. Yes. O-N-E. One. O-N-E. One. After O, what will come, children? O after P. Yes. P for pot. P-O-T. Pot. What is this? P-O-T. Pot. P-O-T. Pot. Next. After P, what comes? Q. This is?
People standing.
Oh, they are standing in Q. They are standing in Q. K-U-E-U-E. Q. K-U.
Q-U-E.
Sorry. Q-U-E-U-E. Q. Q-U-E-U-E. Q. Yes. Next. What is this? This is rat. R-A-T. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. Next. This is, you already know. What is this? This is sun. S-U-N. Sun. What is this? Sun. What's the phonic sound of yes? S. What's the phonic sound of yes? S. Next we go for after S, T. What is this? This is tap. T. Stop. What is this? This is top. T-O-P. Top. What is this, children? This is T-O-P. Top. What is this? T-O-P. Top. What's the phonic sound of T? Top. What's the phonic sound of T? Top. Next. U-R-N. Earn. U-R-N. Like this is vessel, children. Like what we called in Kannada patre. That you called in English earn. U-R-N. Earn. Next. What is this? This is van. Sorry, children. This is van. V-A-N. Van. V-A-N. Van. Next, what is this? Wheel. What is this? Wheel. W-H-E-E-L. Wheel. Sorry, W-H-E-E-L. Wheel. W-H-E-E-L. Wheel. Next, what is this? This is Xmas tree. Xmas tree. After X, we should write small dash. M-A-S-mas. T-R-E-E. Tree. Xmas tree. What is this? X. M-A-S-mas. T-R-E-E. Tree. Xmas tree. X. M-A-S-mas. T-R-E-E. Tree. Xmas tree. Which color is this, children? Which color? Yellow. Yes. Y-E-L-L-O-W-L-O. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. What is this? This is zip. Z-I-P. Zip. What is this? Zip. Z-I-P. P. Zip. Once again. A and T and A and T and A and T and next what is this? Bag. B-A-G. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. C-U-P. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. After C what will come, children? D. D-R-U-M. Drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. Don't forget to color it. Okay, children? E-G-G. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. Next. F-I-S-H. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Next. Gum. G-U-M. Gum. G-U-M. Gum. H-U-T. Hut. H-U-T. Hut. H-U-T. Hut. I-N-K. Ink. I-N-K. Ink. I-N-K. Ink. What is this? This is jug. J-U-G. Jug. J-U-G. Jug. J-U-G. Jug. After J, what will come, children? N. No. K. What will come? K. K-E-Y. Key. K-E-Y. Key. Next. After K, L. L-E-A-F. Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. M-O-O-N. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. N-E-T. Nut. N-E-T. Net. N-E-T. Net. Next, what is this? One. O-N-E. One. O-N-E. One. Pot. P-O-T. Pot. P-O-T. Pot. Wow. What they are doing? They are standing in Q. Right, children? Q-U-E-U-E. Q. Q-U-E-U-E. Q. R-A-T. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. S-U-N. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Next. T-O-P. Top. T-O-P. Top. T-O-p. Top. U-R-N. Un. U-R-N. Un. U-R-N. Un. V-A-N. Van. V-A-N. Van. W-H. E-E-L. Wheel. W-H-E-E-L. Wheel. This is L. W-H-E-E-L. Wheel. Next. Xmas tree. X. M-A-S-mas. T-R-E-E. Tree. Xmas tree. X. M-A-S-T-R-E-E. Tree. Xmas tree. Next. After X. Y. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Z-I-P. Zip. Z-I-P. Zip. Okay, children. Today we have studied name the pictures, right, children? Yes. You should write in your notes. Write neatly, children. And you should draw here and you should write here. Okay. Don't forget it. Underline in red pencil. Color it.
Spellings.
And read the spellings. Next class I will ask you. Read the spellings. Okay. Then only you can understand. You can write neatly. Okay. Don't forget it. Draw it here only. Don't draw whatever you want. Okay, children. Draw here only in nearby margin. Okay. Write the spellings here. Okay. Thank you. Bye.